Once there was a little bird that had fallen to the ground after breaking its wings. Everyone said that it would never fly again. But the bird did not lose heart. Every day it took care of its wings and practiced tirelessly. Gradually, its wings grew stronger, and one day it flew high into the sky. This story teaches us that challenges will come yet. With courage and perseverance, we can achieve anything. As the little bird soared among the clouds, it felt the warmth of the sun and the joy of freedom in its heart. Soon it was joined by other birds who admired its tenacity and spirit. Together they flew in perfect harmony, teaching everyone around them that with determination and support, even the most difficult challenges can be overcome. Flying high over the lush green forest, the little bird and its friends celebrated their journey together. The vibrant colors of nature illuminated the sky, reminding everyone that beauty exists even after struggles. With laughter echoing in the air, the little bird reveled in its newfound strength and confidence, forever grateful for the lessons learned along